So today I got Tora, Tekla, Luna, Mon, and Kai. So we took the morning and we climbed up here. And we made her up to the summit here, which is a brutal hike for me. I had the snowshoe, of course, obviously, the whole way. And Mon, you better watch out. Mon just went sled down that log way down. You pay attention there, buddy. Don't be going down there. That's 5,000 feet, mister. You better pay attention, big fella. This is not your little baby hills. We're straight over here. You just drop right down to the bottom of the valley. You can see Highway 3 way down there. So it takes me a long time because I got to go a long way. I go way around over there and circle my way all the way back up and come across the ridge up here. That's way too steep otherwise. So that's a good boy, Mon. What a good boy. So I have all my rock star dogs today. No goofing around dogs today, boy. No. You stay here. That's they can see the highway, for crying out loud. It's good eyesight. Get over here. Don't be charging down there. Luna, quit that. Yeah, they can see that car moving on the highway. Unreal, I can't. Hey, don't bother with that. Quit that. Can you believe it? Me. Well, that's all I'm going to publish right now.